I'm so excited to talk to you today. We're going to talk about your weekly plan. So far in FlyLady, we've talked about your morning routine, your evening routine, and shining your sink. If you haven't seen those videos, it's important that you check those out as well. Today, we're talking about the weekly plan. What is a weekly plan, you ask? It is a plan for your life that is going to continue forever. And it's things that people do all the time, like buy groceries or put gas in the car or clean the house or plan. You know, those we especially love to plan, don't we? So that's all it is, really. This is the example that Marla Celine, the FlyLady, has set out. On Mondays, you will do your weekly house blessing. That's a really quick house blessing. It's not a cleaning, it's a blessing. We kind of go what we call slap dab or hit a lick at a snake kind of cleaning. I will do a separate video on that, but it's just 1 hour and it gets every part of your house and it looks like a maid's been there. So it's a pretty neat trick. The second day, Tuesday, is your free day. You don't have to do anything that day other than your morning and evening routines. The third day, or Wednesday in this example, would be your planning day or desk day. Sometimes you might see it says anti-procrastination day, but it's also your planning day and your desk day. So this is the day that you go to your fridge, look and see what's in there, take inventory, kind of throw the dead pickle jar out and the wilted zucchini, wipe up the little spots that are in there, no big cleaning, and then take inventory and see what you could possibly use this week for your meals. Also look in your freezer and on your shelves in your pantry. It's called shopping at home. Then make up a menu based on the things that you have, and then continue until you have a full menu for the week. And then you make your grocery list based on what you're missing. That's your planning for your groceries. And then the other thing you'll do if you pay the bills in your house is pay your bills that week. Or if it's not bill paying week, at least balance your checkbook and make sure there's no fraudulent activity in your account. As an ex-banker, I will tell you that you really need to look at those debit card transactions and make sure that they are yours. If you find something that's not yours, make sure you report it to your banker immediately. All right, so that's what you would do on that day. And then it's also a day you could plan whatever you want to plan, your grocery, your holiday gifts, or birthday cards, or whatever you need to buy. Because the next day, Thursday, is your errand day. So that's where you would go to the grocery store, to the library, to the post office, to a store to buy a present or cards. It's the day you do your running around. And then Friday is the day that you go in your car and make sure there's no unidentified flying objects that would become airborne if you slammed on brakes. So you're getting all the junk out of your car. Also, if you feel like it, you can vacuum it or take it to a place and run it through real quick and get them to vacuum it, or you can vacuum it out. And it's also a day to put gas in your car so that if you have an emergency this weekend, you won't jump in the car at 2 a.m. and have no gas. So it's cleaning out your car, possibly getting a wash and a vacuum and filling it with gas. It's also the day you dump your purse out. I sit on the floor and dump it out and then put back in what I want to keep, and all those other little minions that migrated to my purse during the week go back to their homes, plus the paper that seems to gather in there, empty gum wrappers and, you know, extra pencils, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what you do on Friday. On Saturday, it's a day to spend with your family. So it's like a family building day. So it's a fun day. And Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day. It's also an enjoyable day. So that is a weekly plan. So I want you to see how you do on it. Let me know in the comments below if you did well. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will answer for you. I am a FlyLady mentor. What we do as a FlyLady mentor is we specifically set up a regime just for you based on your circumstances. So I won't be doing that for you, but I am giving you generic things that we can all do, okay? All right, have a wonderful day. And hey, remember, you are beautiful.